Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel Riaz Neonatal Nurse. Today's video is very important for nursing students, NICU nurses, and parents because we are going to learn how to give formula feeding to a newborn baby in NICU step by step. Formula feeding in NICU must be done very carefully because newborn babies, especially premature babies, are very sensitive and need proper nutrition and hygiene. Proper feeding technique helps support healthy growth and reduces complications. Healthline +1. So let's begin today's practical nursing GUID. Step 1. Hand hygiene. Before touching the baby or preparing formula milk, wash your hands properly with soap or use sanitizer. Cleanliness is extremely important in NICU because newborn babies have weak immune systems and can easily get infections. Proper hand hygiene and clean feeding equipment are key safety steps. Lurie Children's +1. Always wear gloves if required according to hospital protocol. Step 2. Prepare the feeding equipment. Now collect all required items. Sterile feeding bottle. Formula milk. Warm sterile water. Feeding chart. Clean towel or tissue. Burp cloth. Check the formula expiry date before use. Prepare formula exactly according to hospital instructions because incorrect mixing can affect the baby's health. Lurie Children's +1. Shake the bottle gently until the formula mixes properly. Step 3. Check the temperature. Before feeding the baby, check the milk temperature. Put a few drops on your wrist. The milk should feel lukewarm, not too hot and not too cold. Very hot milk can harm the baby's mouth, while cold milk may make feeding difficult. Step 4. Identify the baby. Always confirm. Baby's name. Bed number. Feeding time. Prescribed feed amount. This step is extremely important in NICU nursing care. Step 5. Position the baby. Now place the baby in a semi-upright position. Support the baby's head gently. Correct positioning helps prevent choking and supports comfortable feeding. Holding the bottle at a gentle pour. Step 6. Start formula feeding. Now slowly place the nipple into the baby's mouth. Allow the baby to suck naturally. Do not force feeding. Feed slowly and observe the baby carefully during feeding. Watch for breathing difficulty, coughing, milk leakage, vomiting, desaturation, fatigue. Premature babies may tire easily during oral feeding because sucking and breathing coordination develops gradually. Children's National Hospital +1. If the baby becomes tired, pause the feeding. Step 7. Burping the baby. After feeding, gently burp the baby. Place the baby on your shoulder and softly pat the back. Burping helps remove swallowed air and reduces discomfort, gas, and vomiting. Healthline. Some babies may need burping during feeding as well. Step 8. Monitor the baby. After feeding, keep the baby upright for a few minutes. Observe breathing. Check oxygen saturation if required. Monitor for abdominal distension or vomiting. NICU babies require continuous monitoring after feeds because feeding intolerance can occur in premature or sick newborns. Step 9. Documentation. Now record. Feeding amount. Feeding time. Baby tolerance. Any complications. Proper nursing documentation is very important in hospital care. Educational message. Remember, every baby is different. Some NICU babies feed through bottle feeding, tube feeding, gavage feeding, breastfeeding. Feeding methods depend on gestational age and clinical condition. Health Library +1. Always follow your hospital policy and doctor's instructions. Utero. I hope this video helps you learn the correct method of formula feeding in NICU. If you found this video helpful, to thumbs up, like, speech balloon comment, outbox tray share. Bell subscribe to Natural Hospital Communication. See you in the next educational NICU nursing video. Okay, by waving hand.